what we have asked in a more.
I think Mantri ji already answered all the queries.
So no, so two.
Huh? No, he has already answered everything. तो क्या किया तो दिखी गया आपको?
Will you? I mean, the price reduction in prices will continue going forward.
As I told you, it's a very dynamic world. Crude oil prices play a very critical role. So we'll wait for the crude oil prices, how they are. And once the crude oil prices show some trend, whether it is going to be stable or volatile, then we'll take a call.
But ethanol 100
deciding on whether the crude oil prices.
No, that depends. It's a very loaded question. I can't. You also know that. For crude oil, we cannot have a definitive time term to tell whether it is good or bad.
So one quick question, let me ask please.
Yes.
Two things have happened. You have cut LPG also last year in August, 200, 100 just last week, and now fuel. So how does it impact the OMCs at all in comparison, juxtaposed with your excellent bottom lines? So going forward, we should not expect much of a issue over there. That's one. Second, what about the OMC stocks being down? So what do you have to tell the markets?
We should not have much of impact on the bottom line. That's the question number one. And secondly, when the stocks were doing extremely well, you must have seen for the last few months. So now they are coming down. So I think that's the way the market plays, isn't it?
So what is your under recovery on diesel?
No, I will not be able to answer that offhand. But
ethanol 100 का rate क्या होगा?
Ethanol 100 at this point of time, as the secretary said, is a signaling issue. We are sending us. It will be matched with the petrol price.
So
at this point of time.
So you've been posting losses on there have been.
Why don't we talk of ethanol 100?
There have been under recoveries on diesel. There have been under recoveries on
Why
petrol
don't we
also.
talk of
OMCs
E100?
Sir,
E100
you have not reduced prices when the OMCs have been making profit on diesel, but now they are facing under recovery on sale of diesel.
Let's see how the crude oil prices work out. We'll take a call.
Petrol diesel price cut is not going to happen.